A dragonfly taking shelter on the forest floor under the sheltering pine to escape the frost of late May. Well, nature. Not all that much of mercifulness here. Donald, I'm working on something. The dragonfly spreading its wings, spreading his wings, hopefully surviving the heavy killer frost of late May. Ahoy-a-hey, in the name of the living green planet. Oh, hey, in the name of the great nature sacred. Oh, hey, little brother dragonfly. I wish you well, little dragonfly. See your wings, all four of them, glistening in the early morning sunshine. You are one of the survivors. You're one of those who has survived this extreme frost in late May. I wish you well, dragonfly. I wish you well.